I've almost got it! Just a little further! Oh, come on, you monstrous melon!
Okay, viewers, have you noticed how this viral cartoon animation trend has been taking over YouTube lately? Millions of people are watching these funny animated stories every day. Today, I'll show you how to create the same style of videos using completely free AI tools. First, head over to YouTube. I want to show you the official channel. It currently has around 4.92 million subscribers, and it's an absolutely incredible channel. If we talk about its estimated monthly earnings, it's making around 49.5K per month. That's absolutely insane. Now let's take a look at the channel's most popular videos. You'll find videos with over 200 million, 100 million, 66 million, and 47 million views. There are so many viral uploads that you'll keep scrolling for a long time. This clearly shows that cartoon-style storytelling has huge viral potential. If we create content in a similar style with our own unique ideas, there's a great opportunity to reach a massive audience. Now, without wasting any more time, I've already prepared a complete master prompt for you, and you'll find it in the video description. This master prompt includes everything you need. A consistent character prompt, scene-by-scene prompts, image prompts, video prompts, voiceover prompts, and all the essential details required to create a complete animated story. I've also organized everything in a colorful and easy-to-follow format. You can go through each scene one by one and see just how detailed and powerful this master prompt really is. Every scene has been carefully designed to make your story more engaging and entertaining. All you need to do is copy the entire master prompt. After that, open Claude AI and simply paste the prompt into the platform. Give it a little time to process. Claude AI may take a few moments, but the results are definitely worth the wait. And boom! As you can see, all of my prompts are now ready. The results look absolutely amazing, engaging, and highly detailed. You can preview every single scene one by one. Each scene comes with its own artwork, image prompt, video prompt, and voiceover prompt. Based on the captions I provided, everything has been generated automatically and organized perfectly. That means our prompt generation section is now complete. Now it's time for the part I promised you earlier, the brand new 100% free AI image generation tool that lets you create unlimited AI images. So let's jump right into it. Okay, viewers, now it's time to generate our images. Simply open the AI tool called Manus 1.6 Lite. Once you log in, you'll receive 1 to 300 free credits, and on top of that, you'll also get 300 daily reward credits every time you log in. That means you can keep creating AI images without spending any money. Yes, it's completely free. Now, let's jump into the prompt section. I'll open my prompt library, copy the first image prompt, and paste it into the tool. After that, I'll set the image ratio and click Generate. As an example, I want to show you what the first image looks like. This tool uses the GPT Image 2 model, which delivers outstanding image quality. It also offers several other image generation models, but we'll explore those later. For now, let's focus on the results from GPT Image 2. We'll wait for about a minute. And now, take a look at this. Oh my God, viewers, this result looks absolutely amazing. The image quality is incredible, and it perfectly matches the story we created. This is exactly why I love using the GPT Image 2 model. Now, instead of generating images one by one, I'll simply copy and paste all of my remaining prompts, from scene 2 all the way to scene 8. As you can see, while I'm pasting each prompt, the tool starts generating every image automatically. The results keep appearing one after another without any extra effort. The best part is that you don't have to wait for one image to finish before starting the next. You can submit all of your prompts together, and the tool will generate every image simultaneously, saving you a huge amount of time. Since it uses the latest GPT Image 2 model, the quality is consistently impressive. It's honestly one of my favorite AI image models because of its sharp details, vibrant colors, and cinematic style. Once you've pasted all of your prompts, simply wait a few moments, and now, look at these results. All 8 of my images are ready. Every single scene has been generated beautifully, and everything looks exactly as planned. I'll zoom in a little so you can see the details more clearly. Here are all 8 images, displayed one by one, and every scene looks fantastic. Downloading them is also very simple. Just click on any image, select the download option, and save it directly to your device. And that's it. Our image generation section is now complete. As you can see, the quality is absolutely incredible, and the best part is that it's completely free. As soon as you log in to Manus 1.6 Lite, you'll receive free credits, so you don't have to worry about paying to get started. Now it's time for the main part of this tutorial, the AI video generation tool that I promised you earlier. It works with results that are comparable to premium AI video generators while still being completely free. So, let's get started. Okay, viewers, now it's time for the AI video tool that I promised you. And yes, it's completely free. The tool is called Vibes AI, and you'll find the link in the video description below. Simply open the link and log in to get started. Once you log in, you'll see a screen that says, "No project yet." Don't worry, that's completely normal. Just click on the Get Started button. After that, you'll notice that the platform supports both image generation and video generation. Since we're creating animated videos, click on the Video option. Next, select the Start and End Frame mode. Before adding your frame, upload the image you created earlier. Once the upload is complete, the image will automatically appear as your starting frame. Now click Add to Video, enter your prompt or scene description, and then click Generate. For the resolution, make sure you select 480p because it's completely free on this platform. Now, watch what happens. With just a single click, the tool generates 4 different video variations at the same time. As I mentioned earlier, it works very similarly to Grok, giving you multiple animation options from a single image. Within a short time, all 4 videos are ready. You can preview each one and simply download the version you like the most. Take a look at these results. Oh my God, viewers! These animations look absolutely amazing. Now let's move on to the second image. I'll upload the next image, paste the corresponding prompt, and click Generate once again. As you can see, another set of 4 videos starts rendering immediately. Again, this tool works very much like Grok. And the best part is that it's completely free. After a short wait, the next 4 videos are ready as well, and the quality is just as impressive. Now let's do one final example. I'll upload another image, enter the prompt, and click Generate once again. As you can see, the last image has also started converting into animated videos. So every time you upload a single image, the tool automatically creates 4 different video versions, giving you multiple creative options without any extra effort. The only limitation is that it doesn't generate voiceovers. For voice narration, you can simply use ElevenLabs or any free text-to-speech tool of your choice. Generate your voiceover and add it during editing. The biggest challenge for most creators is generating high-quality AI videos, and with this tool, you can create them without worrying about expensive subscriptions. So, I hope you really enjoyed today's collection of free AI tools. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe to the channel and leave a like. Your support motivates us to keep bringing you the latest and most powerful free AI tools. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video with another exciting AI tutorial. Goodbye.